Hi everyone. Today we're going to study circle with center at the origin. Given a circle with center at origin 0, 0 and a point whose coordinates are xy, representing all points of the circle as described. Here is our x and y axis. The origin is here, and that is the center. And here we pick one point of the circle denoted by xy. Now, the constant distance between origin and the point xy is called radius, denoted by r. Then the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Let us see some examples. This is example 1. Find the equation of the circle with center at the origin and radius 4. Draw the circle. For our solution, let us write the equation of the circle. That is the x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Next is, we're going to substitute the value of r equals 4. So we have now x squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. Simplifying the 4 squared, we have now 16. So the equation of the circle with center at the origin and radius 4 is x squared plus y squared equals 16. Now, this is the graph of the circle. We use GeoGebra to draw the circle. This is now the circle, x squared plus y squared equals 16. The center at the origin and the radius is 4. This is our final answer. Let's have example 2. Find the equation of the circle whose center is at the origin and which passes through the point 5, negative 4. Draw the circle. For our solution, let us first write the equation of the circle. But we know for us to have the equation, we should have a radius of the circle. In our problem here, the radius is not given. But we can solve for the radius using the given point 5, negative 4 and the origin using the distance formula. This is the formula for distance between 2 points, and that is also the radius. Substituting now the values, so we have r equals the big square root of 5 minus 0, the quantity is squared, plus the negative 4 minus 0, and this quantity is squared. Simplifying further, 5 minus 0 is simply 5. The negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. The big square root is still here. We're going to square the 5 and also the negative 4. So we have r equals the square root of 25 plus 16, now positive. And the 25 plus 16 is 41. So the radius equals the square root of 41. Now let us substitute the value of r equals square root of 41 to the equation of the circle. So we have now x squared plus y squared equals the square of the square root of 41. We can cancel this power 2 and the square root here, so the final answer will be x squared plus y squared equals 41. This is now the equation that we are looking for. Now using GeoGebra, this is our circle. The center is at the origin and the circle is passing through the point 5, -4. This is our final answer. Let's have example 3. Find the equation of the circle with center at the origin and tangent to the line for x plus 3y equals 10. Draw the figure. For our solution, we write again the equation of the circle. Next is, let us find the radius. And in here, the radius of the circle is the directed distance from the line for x plus 3y minus 10 equals 0 to the center at 0, 0. The formula is here. This is the directed distance from a line to a point. And this is also the radius. Substituting now the values, so we have 4 times 0 plus 3 times 0 minus 10 all over the square root of 4 square plus 3 square. Simplifying further, this 4 times 0 is simply 0. The 3 times 0 is also 0. So in the numerator, only -10 remains. Over, in the denominator, the square root of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So we have -10 over the square root of 25. We simplify the square root of 25 as 5. And this -10 over 5 is simply -2. The negative sign here simply means that the point or the origin is below the tangent line. But we will take the positive of the number, so the radius is 2. Now, we are going to substitute the value of r in the equation. So we have x squared plus y squared equals 2 squared. Simplifying the 2 squared here, so we have our final answer, x squared plus y squared equals 4. This is the equation that we are looking for. Let us now draw the figure. Using GeoGebra, we have here now the circle x squared plus y squared equals 4. It's a circle with center at origin and the radius is 2. Now this is the tangent line. 4x plus 3y equals 10. We can see here that the origin or the center is below the tangent line. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.